2021 Triumph Tiger 850 Sport Review First Ride. What Tiger 850? When I went to St. Louis to learn all about the new Triumph 900 family way back in December 2019, there were 5 Tiger 900s, 2 900 GTS, 2 rallies, and a base model Tiger 900. Sometime between then and now, Triumph decided to distinguish the base model by calling it Tiger 850 Sport, but in fact, it has the same 888cc triple as the other 4 bikes, supposedly slightly detuned. Like a couple other manufacturers lately who've seen the advantage of having a low-price leader, like BMW and its new F900R and XR, Triumph throws the Tiger 850 Sport out there with an MSRP of $11,995. Which is pretty cheap, really. Off the bat, it reminded me of another favorite bargain street-biased ADV bike, the Suzuki V-Strom 1050. But the base model V-Strom now lists at $13,399, the off-roadier Honda Africa Twin starts at $14,399. And BMW's new F900XR undercuts them all, at $11,695. Go, exotic Europeans! If you're one of those people who always comments that you don't need no stinkin' badges or apps or cruise control or electronic suspension, you're all set. The Tiger 850 is a super fun, highly capable runabout for all seasons, and you'll love it. For people like me, who are on record saying they wouldn't buy a new motorcycle without electronic cruise control, well, the Tiger 850 is a non-starter. If I'm busting out $12K for a new motorcycle, I'm going to go ahead and spend $2,775 more for the Tiger 900 GT. Which comes with CC, adjustable suspension, a bigger, 7-inch TFT display, lean-sensitive apps and TC, etc. Then again, I might be ticked off enough at Triumph for not offering cruise control as one of the 65 accessories they are peddling for the Tigers, to just shop elsewhere. If you want cruise, Triumph's again emulating BMW in making CC available only as part of the package that makes up the Tiger 900, GT or GT Pro, or the wire-wheeled off-roadier Rally or Rally Pro, the Rally Pro being the full Monty Tiger at $17,100. Really, where you live and how you ride determines how much Triumph 850/900 you need. In Southern California, where I rarely ride in the rain, and where I came up when ABS was a novelty and traction control was science fiction, I could easily get by with the Tiger 850 Sport's non-lean sensitive ABS and TC. And since its non-adjustable Marzocchi suspension feels like it was calibrated with just about my 180 pounds of flesh and gear in mind, I could get by with it too. I should be able to buy the 850 Sport and add cruise control, damn it. Oh, sorry. Tangent. This is a great little motorcycle, and I do mean little. I mean, it's full-sized, but Triumph does give all the Tigers the most expensive thing: lightweight. On the Mo scales, our test unit registered 477 pounds. And that's with 5.3 gallons, around 32 pounds of gas. BMW also pimps its F900XRS lightweight, their claim of 482 pounds wet is believable. The Yamaha Tracer 900 GT is in that ballpark too, but it's a bit more sport toy than ADV sporty. Your V-Strom 1050, whose biggest advantage traditionally was its lightness, has ballooned out to 544 pounds. Lightweight doesn't matter quite as much since the Tiger 850 Sport is an ADV really meant more for pavement use, but you can definitely appreciate it on our favorite tight twisty roads, where the Tiger reveals once again the depth of talent in Triumph's suspension calibrating department. A lighter steel trellis frame, now with a bolt-on aluminum subframe, moves the engine 40 mm forward and 20 mm lower than before. Split radiators allow the front wheel to be tucked in more closely, and you can feel the difference as you whip the Tiger from side to side like Siegfried and Roy, in a way that feels more sport than ADV even with a 19-inch front tire, Michelin Anaki on our test bike.